Mnangagwa lava leak exposes state Sexurity Coup inside Zimbabwe's intelligence services. Sanavena mashoko ari kuda ndisi headline rambukona zvirezim ari kuda nyarwanchenzi. Leaked audio of Mnangagwa married girlfriend asking for intimacy and support to deal with Geza Gomwe and CIO Director General. Sanavena mashoko kuda nyarwa panguva ino nezim ai nombo subscribe or like on the bell. Utibina banapa munaoda nyarwa chiti a devastating audio leak is exposed the extent to which President Emmerson Mnangagwa's private bedroom affairs have overtaken Zimbabwe's state intelligence operations, triggering alarm across the nation's security establishment and prompting urgent calls for a national inquiry. The voice note, now circulating widely on social media, features ZVAITWA, a deputy director in the Central Intelligence Organization and a long-time married lover of Mnangagwa, issuing direct instructions to the president to neutralize CIO Director General Fortune Mangwanya, accusing him of blocking an intelligence mission targeting whistleblower Blessed Geza and citizen activist Gifford Gomwe. It is alleged Lucero is behind the abduction of Gomwe's mother. In quotes, "Hi, so I know you are probably busy right now, but just wanted to let you know that Fortune is really being a problem. Can you please deal with him? He's trying to block issue ya Geza. That assignment you gave me, it's frustrating me. But otherwise, about your stuff, let me know when you are free. I miss you. I miss it." The mix of romantic intimacy and executive command, allegedly authenticated by whistleblowers inside the CIO, blurs the line between statecraft and seduction and signals what many insiders are calling the collapse of Mnangagwa's presidency into private bedroom cabal. Ndo mashoko ari kuda pana pachiexposwa nezim ai vachionekwa kunzi aiwa this leaked audio ri kutendera pasocial media raexposa zvinhu zviri kuitika aiwa kuthe intelligence pamwe chete nepresidency wemutungamiri wenyika kuchionekwa kunzi this ari kunzi the Mnangagwa married girlfriend panguva ino is asking for intimacy and support to deal aiwa nabomsha kugeza pamwe chete nana Gomwe nada CIO director ari kunzi aiwa ari kubloka aiwa his mission tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi wapinda comment section medu za mafunguro enyu subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.